University of North Carolina's iconic university blue in its sneaker releases, Jordan Brand has continuously paid tribute to Michael Jordan's alma mater throughout its 4-decade history. For current Tar Heel athletes, Jordan Brand has created Player Edition (PE) sneakers in addition to public offers. Unveiled lately by collector English Soul and UNC's equipment team, the 2024-25 season Special Air Jordan 9 is one of the most recent instances. Jordan Brand's custom of providing exclusive, unreleased footwear to its sponsored collegiate programs is in line with this PE version. Restricted to just 50 pairs, the limited edition Air Jordan 9 has unique touches that distinguish it from retail models. Tar Heels-inspired blue covers the draw tabs, mudguards, and laces, while the tongue of its patent leather upper is adorned with UNC insignia. The eyelets, inner lining, and midsole all have accents in a deeper blue that evoke the midnight navy Air Jordan 9. This PE stands out from other UNC-themed releases thanks to these unique elements, making it a sought-after item for both fans and collectors.